PG 2021 aspirants, you are waiting for the notification of your NEET PG examinations. In fact, I had made a video concerning this also, and you have gone through that. Still lot of things you are waiting. In fact, and it confusion must be removed. In fact, we are also doing analysis and what we observed. In fact, because COVID situation is also going on, your examination cannot be conducted up to 31st August. Uh, After the decision of Supreme Court, in fact, although your examination had to be conducted on 18th April 2021, that was Sunday. In fact, your conducting body is National Board of Examinations. So although NTA is conducting the body for NEET UG 2021 examination, and NTA is planning to conduct NEET UG 2021 examinations within 35 to 40 days. In fact, means August, by the end of August itself, and that examination is also conducted on Sunday, and August end Sunday is 29th. In fact, 29th of August, that is the Sunday. In fact, uh, although NTA is a separate body and NBE is a separate body, but uh, uh, COVID situation is going on, government will not be liking to make a crowd here and there simultaneously, because it's not a normal course of time. COVID era is going on. So, in your case, 1,74,000 aspirants are there. In the case of NEET UG 2021, it is expected that more than 15 lakhs aspirants will be there. So, I had speculated for the UG aspirants that their examinations may be conducted on 12th September or 3rd October. But due to the recent development and statements given by NTA, in fact, they are planning to conduct their examination by the end of August end. I mean, by it means obviously it will be 29th August, because that is the August ends Sunday. In fact, your examination is also conducted on Sunday. That is the tradition. In fact, so obvious, and moreover, your in your case up to 31st August. There will not be any examinations, but notification concerning examination date can come in August. So obviously, all the things, although you are you are a health worker also, so obviously you must have been vaccinated, I hope. But there are some other persons also, they take part in conducting the examinations. They might not be vaccinated. Other persons might not be vaccinated. So, and government is also thinking that July and August, this will be the downfall of COVID, and of course in parallel, government is afraid of third wave of COVID also. Okay, so before coming of third wave of COVID, central government, state government, education ministry, health ministry, all the related bodies, Niti Aayog, even your National Board of Examination, NTA, all must be liking to conduct the examination before coming of third wave of COVID. And in your case, since Supreme Court order up to 31st August, only your notification will come, and I am speculating uh, on the basis of my analysis that your notification concerning examination dates must come by the by around second week or third week of August, actually, because you since you are working as a health worker also, so you are on your duty, so 1 month prior you have to be informed by the examination conducting body, NBE, because that is the commitment that you must be informed 1 month prior, and that they have to do. So if they will be liking to concerning all these things concerning regularizing your session, because your scorecard also has to be released in the first week of October in order to regularize your academic session, and 1 month prior of the examination you also must be informed. In that way, only second week or third week of August the suitable time falls. So so far as examination date is, probable examination dates are concerned, if UG examination date, NEET UG 2021 examination date will be suppose 29th August, 12th September will be the vacant date, but that is not suitable for you, because you 30 days gap will not be there. So suitable date is either 19th September or 26th September, because left Sundays are only these two. So you consider either your examinations, NEET PG 2021 examinations may be conducted on 19th September or 26th September. So be prepared. You can plan your examination and you can plan for your study considering these two probable dates, 19th September and 26th September. Thank you very much. Bye bye, and best of luck for your examination. And if you are liking my this video, please subscribe it, share it and like it, so that others also must be benefited. Thank you very much. Bye bye.